The whispers in the camera world have turned into a roar. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II. It's redefining crop sensor power. Imagine a world where the speed of a professional sports body meets the resolution of a high-end landscape rig, all in a portable frame. We are diving deep into credible leaks. Canon is about to drop a bombshell featuring 8K video capabilities. It was beyond current megapixels into new territory, but it's not just about megapixels. It's about the brain behind the glass. We're talking about a rumored DIC accelerator chip that could potentially eliminate rolling shutter once and for all in the APS-C world. This tech allows for that staggering 40 fps electronic shutter speed, turning every high-speed action sequence into a frame-by-frame masterpiece. You never, ever miss the decisive moment. For wildlife photographers, tracking a bird in flight becomes almost unfair for the competition. Now, let's talk about the headline that has every cinematographer's heart racing. 8K video on a crop sensor. Critics said it couldn't be done without melding the internals. But rumors suggest Canon engineered a revolutionary heat management system. This brings 8K 3OP and oversampled 4K 1.2OP to the R7 Mark II. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a tool for creators who need that extra croppability in post-production without sacrificing a single drop of detail. Imagine filming a wedding or a documentary where you can punch in 200% and still maintain a crisp 4K output. That's the kind of flexibility that saves shoots and wins awards. Canon is putting that power directly into your hands. Beyond the raw numbers, the ergonomics and the feel of the R7 Mark II are reportedly getting a massive facelift based on user feedback from the original model. We're looking at a significantly improved EVF with zero blackout and a revamped autofocus system that leverages the latest AI-driven subject recognition, expanding from humans and animals to include specific recognition for light aircraft, high-speed trains, and even insect eyes. The level of precision is incredible. The missed focus excuse is about to become a relic of the past. It's a bold move by Canon to bridge the gap between enthusiast-level gear and the professional 1-series workflows. But why now? The competition from Sony and Fujifilm has never been fiercer. Canon knows they have to swing for the fences. The R7 Mark II represents more than just an incremental update. It's a statement of intent. It might just be the most important camera Canon has released in a decade. You have to ask yourself, are you ready to handle this much speed? Or is it time to start clearing your memory cards in anticipation? The countdown has officially begun, but the real magic isn't just in the resolution, it's in the rumored stacked sensor architecture. This is the holy grail of mirrorless tech previously reserved for $6,000. Flagship bodies, like the R3 and R1. If the leaks are true, the R7 Mark II will be Canon's first ever APS-C camera to feature a stacked BSI sensor, which fundamentally changes how the camera sees the world by placing memory and processing circuitry directly behind the pixels. That never misses a beat. And because this sensor is so fast, the rumors of 8,000 video at 30 or even 60 frames per second aren't just fantasies, they are a technical reality made possible by this massive leap in data throughput. This power comes with a serious upgrade in brain power as well. We are hearing that the R7 Mark II will inherit the DIGIC accelerator and the specialized AI-driven autofocus system from the newly released R5 Mark II and R1. We're talking about action priority modes, where the camera can actually predict where a ball is going during a soccer match or lock onto a gymnast mid-flip with eerie precision. It's a level of intelligence that makes the original R7 feel like a generation behind. To handle all this data, what about the price? And when can you actually get your hands on one? The industry is buzzing with a potential announcement in the first half of 2026, likely timed around the major CP Plus trade show or a dedicated spring event. Don't expect a budget price tag. Rumors are pointing toward a body-only price between $1,999 and $2,299 United States dollars. While that's a jump from the original R7, you have to remember that you're essentially getting the performance of a mini R1 for a third of the cost. It's a strategic play to bridge the gap between enthusiasts and working pros who need that extra 1.6x crop reach for wildlife. If you're already eyeing your bank account, you might want to start saving now. Every leak suggests the R7 Mark II will be in demand. potentially facing Bacarders for months. This is Canon finally taking the crop sensor crown back and proving that you don't need a full-frame sensor to have a world-class professional tool in your bag.